Going over natural gas. In this video, we're going over my trade idea of the week and the day-by-day probability model. So let's start off with the technical analysis on the 1-hour chart. We have dipped into negative MACD territory. As we extend that to the 4-hour chart, we remain in positive MACD, but we're seeing signs of a diverge. We're slightly off of overbought levels with the RSI. We did bounce right off the 18 moving average, this purple line, at price of $4.20. As with the daily chart, we remain in positive MACD and slightly off of overbought condition with the RSI. As with the trade idea, I'll be trading UNG, and my position size for it is less than 1% of my portfolio. My long entry is at $14.26, and that is this range here. My sell target is at $15.74, and my stop loss is at $13.88. However, if I were to open a short position, my entry is at $16.42. My sell target is at $14.67, and my stop loss is at $17.14. So how did I develop these trade ideas? It all comes from the day-by-day probability model. As we progress to the 5th day or week of trading, natural gas has a 38% chance to climb between 0 to 7%. To the downside has a 38% chance to fall between 0 to negative 7%, and a 25% chance to fall between negative 7 to negative 14%. So if you enjoyed this content, feel free to like, comment, subscribe, and thank you for watching.